Hey friend, I was just wondering, what exactly is vitamin D?
This is an excellent question. Let me tell you the story of where vitamin D comes from and how it keeps us healthy. Have you ever been stuck inside on a cloudy day and wish you were on the beach? On a bright summer's day when the sun hits your skin, this helps our body to make vitamin D. Even though we get some vitamin D from the sun, we must also make sure we get vitamin D from the food we eat. This includes fish, beef on our hamburgers, orange juice, eggs, and milk. Do you know of anyone who has ever fallen and broken a bone? Well, vitamin D can help prevent this from happening. Our bones help us to stand up straight and move around on a daily basis. Vitamin D keeps us healthy by making sure our bones are as strong as they can be. Have you ever been terrified of visiting the dentist? Well, no fear. Vitamin D helps to keep our teeth healthy, which will surely impress the dentist. Next, as we get older, so does our brain. But vitamin D helps to keep our brains young and keep us smart. Vitamin D also helps to help us stay focused when we are working on these math problems. Also, when we get sick, bad bugs enter our body through our mouth. We have a system in our body that helps to fight off these bad bugs. Vitamin D keeps us healthy by making sure the system is working. Even if we don't eat a lot of vitamin D, this system may get confused and start killing what is our own. Sometimes when we get sick, the small cells in our body divide really quickly. When this happens, we get a lot of cells that build up because there's no place for them to go. Vitamin D can help prevent this from happening. To continue, our heart is very important as it keeps us alive and healthy. But sometimes, when we aren't healthy, our blood vessels get very small and nutrients can't get to our heart. But vitamin D can make these vessels larger so that the heart can get its nutrients such as oxygen through the blood. Even more, under our lungs, there's a very important organ called the pancreas. The pancreas releases something called insulin. Insulin helps to lower our blood sugar levels. Vitamin D keeps us healthy by making sure our blood sugar levels stay where they should be. When we breathe in oxygen, this is what keeps all of our organs alive, and it is our lungs that help us to do this. Have you ever focused on your breathing? Watch your chest go out and in. Our lungs help us to breathe, and vitamin D helps our lungs to work properly. Overall, vitamin D keeps us healthy and it keeps the doctor away. Now that's the story of vitamin D. I hope you learned something from this video.